How to scan WhatsApp QR code with another device. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First, you can scan QR code to link your account to WhatsApp web or desktop. For that, on the device with the WhatsApp app, you can easily open WhatsApp on your phone and then tap three dots at top right corner and navigate to settings. Now you have to tap on the link devices. So currently I don't find on this section. If you find, you need to tap on it and your phone's camera will open to scan a QR code, or else you can tap the scanner at top right and then tap on scan code at top right. And now this page will open. On the second device, you simply need to open a web browser and go to WhatsApp web or open the WhatsApp desktop application. And a QR code will appear on the screen. You can use a phone to scan the QR code, and once scanned, your WhatsApp will sync and you can use it on the second device as well. You can even use the third party applications or QR code scanner in order to scan the code on WhatsApp. So I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like. If you find this video helpful, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.